ever pondered about the pineal gland and its significance to the ancient Egyptians? This tiny, pine cone-shaped organ, nestled deep within the recesses of our brain, has sparked intrigue for centuries. It's called the pineal gland, our body's very own biological third eye. Now let's journey back to the epoch of the pharaohs, to the sands of ancient Egypt, a civilization renowned for its advanced study of anatomy. The Egyptians, with their profound understanding of the human body, were particularly fascinated by the pineal gland. They saw it as more than just an organ. It was a symbol, a sacred entity, a gateway to realms beyond our mundane existence. From hieroglyphs to sacred texts, the pineal gland held a unique position in their understanding of life and the human body. So why were they so captivated by this tiny gland? Let's dive into the chronicles of time and discover why the Egyptians were so captivated by the pineal gland. As we journey back to the pyramids, we discover the Egyptians' first encounter with the pineal gland. Imagine the ancient Egyptians, renowned for their advanced medical practices, peering inside a human brain during an autopsy. It's here, amidst the complex labyrinth of the human mind, that they first observed the pineal gland. This small pine cone-shaped gland, tucked away deep within the brain, caught their attention. The Egyptians were pioneers in many fields, including medicine. Their autopsies, a part of their mummification process, were meticulous and detailed. They carefully documented their findings, which eventually formed the bedrock of their medical knowledge. Among these documents is the Edwin Smith Papyrus, one of the earliest known medical texts. This ancient manuscript, written over 3,000 years ago, hints at the Egyptians' knowledge of the pineal gland. It's a testament to their meticulous observation and deep understanding of the human body. But the Egyptians didn't just look at the pineal gland as another piece of human anatomy. To them, this tiny gland held a greater significance. It was a mystical entity, a bridge between the physical and spiritual world. The pineal gland, to the Egyptians, was not just a part of the body, it was a part of the soul, a part of the universe. The Egyptians' fascination didn't stop at mere discovery. They believed the pineal gland held a deeper meaning. The ancient Egyptians perceived the pineal gland as more than a part of our anatomy. In their view, it held a spiritual significance that transcended its physiological functions. They regarded the pineal gland as the seat of the soul, the third eye, if you will, a portal to the spiritual world. This wasn't just a metaphorical connection, but rather a tangible link to otherworldly realms. This belief was deeply ingrained in their spiritual practices and cosmic understanding. They observed that the pineal gland was the only part of the brain not split into two hemispheres, leading them to associate it with the divine unity and balance, the very principles that governed their society. The pineal gland was seen as the gateway that allowed humans to reach their full potential, to perceive beyond the physical world and tap into the unseen universe. It was the organ of inner vision, a conduit to higher knowledge and spiritual enlightenment. They believed that through this gland, one could access the Akashic records, the compendium of all human events, thoughts, words, emotions, and intent ever to have occurred in the past, present, or future. The pineal gland was indeed a source of mystery and fascination to the Egyptians. But what can we learn from their beliefs today? Fast forward to the 21st century, the pineal gland still intrigues scientists and spiritualists alike. Today, the pineal gland is recognized as a small, pea-sized organ located deep within the brain. It's known for producing melatonin, a hormone that regulates our sleep patterns and circadian rhythms. Research continues to explore the full potential and functions of this remarkable gland. Some studies suggest it may play a role in our mental health, while others hint at its influence on aging and longevity. The pineal gland also holds a spiritual significance in various cultures, from being regarded as the third eye in Eastern philosophies to its association with intuition and enlightenment in New Age thought. It continues to be a symbol of mystery and intrigue. The ancient Egyptians' study of the pineal gland serves as a testament to their advanced understanding of the human body and the mysteries it holds.